So now let's see about regulation of respiration. So how the respiration is being regulated, it's like to increase or to decrease. For example, to increase the inspiration or to increase the expiration. So how these regulation, where the regulator is there for the respiration. Human beings have a significant ability to maintain and moderate the respiratory rhythm to suit the demand of the body tissues. For example, if we need more amount of oxygen to the body, we need to have a increased capacity of inspiration. So because of that, more amount of the respiratory rate has to be increased. So more amount of oxygen will be supplied to the body. So this is done by neural system, a specialized center present in the medulla region of the brain, which we call it as respiratory rhythm center. It is primarily responsible for this regulation. Another center present in the pons region of the brain, which we call it as pneumotaxic center, can moderate the functions of the respiratory rhythm center. First, we have the respiratory rhythm center responsible for regulation, for increasing and decreasing. And we have another center which we call it as pneumotaxic center, which is present in the pons. Remain P for P, pneumotaxic center. So this can moderate the functions of the respiratory rhythm center. Means it will control the respiratory rhythm center. So the neural signals from this center can reduce the duration of inspiration and thereby alter the respiratory rate. A chemosensitive area is situated adjacent to the rhythm center, which is highly sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. For example, if there is an increase in carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions, means more amount of carbon dioxide in the body, automatically this chemosensitive areas will send the signals to pneumotaxic. Then the pneumotaxic will send the signals to respiratory rhythm center. It will maintain the rhythm. So increase in these substance can activate this center, so which in turn can signal the rhythm center to make necessary adjustments in the respiratory process, which these substances can be eliminated. So the receptors associated with the aortic arch and carotid artery can also be recognized. Changes in carbon dioxide and hydrogen ion concentration and send signals to the rhythm center for remedial actions. So the role of oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is quite insignificant. So more of we have a role with the carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. So the way there is a less role for the concentration of oxygen. So whatever the thing, we have the chemosensitive receptors at nearby medulla as well as near the aortic arch and carotid artery. These will send the signals. If the carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions are increased, these will send the signals to pneumotaxic center. That pneumotaxic center will act on, which is in pons. That pneumotaxic center will act on respiratory rhythm center, which is present in medulla, and from there it will regulate the rhythm of the respiration. So this is all about regulation of respiration. So let's see the disorders of respiratory system in the next video. Thank you very much.